Just imagine this. Let's say that you have watched all the self-improvement videos online out there, and now you want to actually make changes in your life. So the first thing you do is you go to a mirror and you look at yourself, and the very first thing that you notice is your face. Now, when you see your face, you're like, wait, how do I even change my face? How do I improve my face? How do I make it the best possible shape as possible? And when you search for this question, you're gonna find two answers. One is reducing your body fat percentage. Because if you have been fat for a while, that fat is gonna accumulate to your face, giving your face a very puffy look. And especially in cases where people do not exercise at all, those people, when they look at themselves, they are gonna see a lot of fat on their face. So the first thing they can do is they can exercise and they can lose weight, as a result of which their face shape is gonna get better. This is one solution. The second solution comes down to your jawline. Now, for your jaw shape, you must have come across videos of people suggesting you to try chewing chewing gums, and you might have even tried it, and you would have been like, no man, but I've been chewing chewing gums, but I don't get the right jawline that I want. I don't get that jaw shape. Why is that? Or you could be like, wait, I've been chewing for a while, but my jaw starts paining so much. But other people online say that it improves your jawline, then what's wrong? I'll answer these questions for you. You see, does chewing gum, does it help you improve your jawline? It does. It does. Then why isn't your jawline being improved? Why isn't your jawline improving? That's because you're chewing the chewing gum in the wrong way. You're chewing it wrong. In the gym when you work out, you would have heard that, okay, you go for 10 reps at this high level weight, and once you start feeling pain, you have to push further. You have to push further until you are unable to lift the weight at all. Right? That's a good approach. It helps you build a lot of muscles, and it gives you the optimal amount of gains for your physique. Now for jawline, that's not the case. You see, when you're chewing chewing gums, let's say you chew it for like 2 hours, 3 hours, eventually there is going to be a point where your jaw starts hurting. And many people, what they do is they still keep chewing gum. They are like, wait, I'm gonna push through the pain. But when they do that, their jaw can get damaged. You see, there is this disease, it's called TMD, and this happens when a person has overexerted his jaw by chewing too much, more than he is capable of, and that can cause a lot of pain, and in some cases it could even lead to surgeries. So that's why the way you should be chewing chewing gums is you chew them for 30 minutes, an hour, and if you start feeling uncomfortable, toss the chewing gum outside. Don't keep chewing the chewing gum. And the second most important thing, which you should keep in mind when chewing chewing gums, is first you chew the chewing gum the normal way, but after some time, if you want the best results for your jawline shape, what you have to do is you have to push the chewing gum to the upper part of your mouth, to the roof of your mouth, and you apply pressure using your tongue to the chewing gum to maintain it at that position on the top of your mouth. It's an action which is very similar to mewing. And over a period of time, it does give you more defined structure, more defined jaw, more defined jawline. And the third most important thing you would want to know is to chew sugarless chewing gums. You see, the chewing gums you buy outside for 1 rupees, they are all filled with sugar. They are all made for children, because children like sweet things, right? So of course they're gonna buy more chewing gums that are sweeter. So that's what all the chewing gums outside are. But you wouldn't want that if you're working on your self-improvement journey. Especially if you're consuming 2-3 chewing gums every single day over a period of time, that's all that sugar, man. You can just avoid that by chewing on a sugar-free chewing gum. When you follow just these steps that I suggested to you, I can guarantee this. Over a period of time, your jawline is gonna get so defined, man. You're gonna leave giga chats behind. All the giga chats, you're gonna leave all of them behind, man. So stay on the grind, boys.